morning, boys and girls. After some time, after a gap, we are back. Programming is such which requires a consistent practice. Consistently you need to practice. A constant practice needs to be there. Exactly like mathematics. I must say it is tougher than the mathematics. The reason being is this. Mathematics, at least somebody is there to help you. This is more of a technical subject. So I wish and I pray, or rather I appeal to you boys and girls, make use of your computer system, type this tiniest program. Small program which doesn't even have 7 numbers. Sorry, 7 lines. See, else is also a line, I am counting. First line, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9. Among 9 lines, this 2 braces. Else, this also I am counting as a lines. Small but very effective programs, boys and girls. You need to know this. You need to know this. Look at here. This is the statement which has got a lot of weightage. I don't know whether you understand this one or not. I am going to explain at least twice or thrice till you understand. What is a bus number? Write a program in Java to read a number and check whether the given number is a bus, B-U-Z-Z, bus number or not. What is a bus number? A number which is divisible by 7. For example, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 48, 56, right? And so on, 84, 77, 70. These are all divisible by 7. When you divide it, the remainder would be 0. A number is divisible by 7 or a number ends, the right extreme digit, the last digit happens to be 7. If one of the 2 conditions, I repeat again, 2 conditions I match with an operator called this OR operator. What operator is that? OR operator, which I am going to tell you. Here is an example. 28, computer will ask you an integer number called as NOR. You need be the user have to feed at the time of execution, at the time of run. Imagine I get 28. 28 means, does it end with 7? No. Is it divisible by 7? Yes. If it is divisible by 7 or a number ends with 7 is known as a bus number. Right? 2 conditions I club together make only one statement. Today's lesson is, this is the first condition, this is the second condition. Right? The first condition and second condition is adjoined with an operator. There are 3 operators are there, and or not. These are all the logical operators. 2 ampersand, 2 and symbols, or above the shift on your left hand side you have, above the shift you have this number. It's not a colon. It's not a colon. I'm not talking about the colon. On your left shift, you will have on either side. On your left hand side, just above the shift, you have an OR symbol. OR. Okay? Twice you must do it. When you type, it will come in a straight line like this. When you write, you must write like this. Right? This is an OR operator. What does this OR operator do? If this condition is true, the first condition is true, or second condition is true, if one of them is true, this job will be done. Right? For example, 77 I give. 77. 77 mod 7. What do you mean by that? Mod operator will give you the remainder. This operator will give you what? Mod. It's not percentage, it's mod operator. When you have 77 is divided by 7, what would be the remainder is? 0. 0 and 0 are the same S. So it's a bus number. And it goes here. 77 mod 10. When you divide the 77 by 10, what would be the remainder? Again 7. 7 and 7 are the same? Yes. This is also true and this is also true. If one of them is true, then this job will be true. What does it say? The number whatever you gave, 77 is a bus number. This is the first example. Okay? Again I run the program for second occasion. Computer will ask me a number. Give me a number, I gave it. Say let's say 28. What do I give? 28. 28 mod 7 will be how much? Is it divisible by 7? Yes. 4 7s are 28. What would be the remainder is? 0. 0 and 0 are the same? Yes. The moment it is, it won't even check, it will come down. So 28 is a bus number. 28 is a bus number, right? Now I give you one more example, third example, 19. What do I give? 19, right? 19 mod 7 will be how much? 5. When you divide 19 by 7, 7 2s are 14, remainder is 5. This is remainder, this is quotient, am I right? So this modular symbol will give you remainder. What is the remainder is? 5. 5 and 0 are the same? No. 5 and 0 are they equal? No. Double equal means you will check. If they are equal, it will come here. If they are not equal, again it will go here. What is the number you have? 19. 19 mod 10 will be how much? 9. When you divide 19 by 10, the remainder will be how much? 9. 9 and 7 are they same? No, they are not same. This is also no, this is also no. Then it comes here. What does it say? 19 is not a bus number. This is not a bus number. Do you understand? Do you understand what I say? Yeah. A number is divisible by 7 or a number ends with 7 is known as a bus number. Right? A tiny program, very small program, but one statement does a lot of job for which you should be familiar with this. You should be familiar. I am repeating the good old dialogue, boys and girls. This is a practical subject. You have to have hands-on practical. I am sure you have a computer, possibly a desktop or a laptop at home. Install BlueJ, key in this program, type this program, compile this program, execute the program. I know what are the practical difficulties. Don't give up. You should have this tendency. What tendency is that? Oh, where will I get the BlueJ? Right? Whenever I do the program, only errors issues. That is where, when you compile, after typing the program, when you click on the compile tab, please read the error message if at all is there. The more error you come across, more quickly you learn Java. Don't get disheartened, oh, all the time I get the error, so let me not do anymore. No. I have come across quite a good number of children, they have no patience. What do? Just they type once, they execute the program, some error comes, no patience of reading that, and wherever there is an error, the cursor will be red in color, whose error message will be flashed at the rock bottom, and wherever the error has occurred, where the underlining will be there, you take the cursor there and rectify, debug. We call bug means an error, debug means rectifying an error. You do it, that's it. I request once again, boys and girls, install BlueJ, okay, and get it typed. Get it typed, compile it, give some sample inputs and wait for the output, okay. Sometimes you may have no syntax errors, but still you will not get the output. What do you mean by that? Your program is syntactically right, means grammatically there are no errors. But logically there are some errors are there. So we need to be syntactically sound as well as logically sound. So copy down this program, boys and girls, right? Get it typed in your computer system, compile it, execute it. You will learn Java as quickly as possible. It's all question of practice, right? Okay. Meanwhile, I'll begin one more program. Copy down this. I repeat again. We haven't had a few weeks of classes because of complete lockdown, because things have been eased out now, so we are resuming the classes. It's not a holiday, it's not a vacation. The teaching and learning has to take place. It's a perennial process. It has to go on, right? Please do not be in a vacation or holiday mode. Copy down and practice it. Okay, one more small program. We shall continue after this. Copy down this. Yeah. Boys and girls, today I am going to take a concept, new term called as package. Java has got a 6 predefined packages. The classes what we write are called as user-defined classes, right? There are some ready-made classes. Sun Microsystem, who owns Java, who is the developer of Java even today, it's been bought by ARM, it's a different issue. There are some built-in packages out there, like java.language, import java.language, import java.utilities, import java.awt. I'll tell you there are 6 packages out there. I'll tell you what is the meaning of package first of all, how it is helpful to the programmers like us. I am going to tell you what it is. I am taking this theory concept from page number 142. Page number 142. What is a package? Group of related classes are called as package. For example, in our class there are 50 students are there. We have been assigned to do a task. We have been assigned to do a task. Right? What do we do it? Each one we divide it. I do a small job, you do a small job, everyone. All the 50 of us do a small program. Right? All the program clubbed together makes one package. Group of anything and everything in Java has to be done with the help of a class. Right? How many of us are there? 50 of us are there. All the 50 of us doing a related job. Okay, a related job, right? So all the 50 of them, if we club together, is called as a package. Group of related classes are known as a package, right? Java offers, there are 6 ready-made classes are there. How many classes are there? 6. Means if you want square root, you will not find the square root on the keyboard. Do you find the square root? Or cubic root? Or 8th root of a number? Do you find? Isn't there? So what do you do? So you can use a class called as what? Math.sqrt. What that math is? Math is a built-in class. Means it's already written by the developers of Java, which is Sun Microsystems. Okay? Which is Sun Microsystem. What happens is, math is a built-in class. Under math, there are so many functions are there, like SQRT, logarithm value is there, sine is there, cos is there, tangent is there. So many of them there. So math, M-A-T-H, where M is an uppercase. Math.sqrt, math.abs. ABS means absolute value. So math is a built-in class, right? Similarly, so hundreds and thousands of classes are already written and kept ready. It's meant for our reference. right? If you do not know anything, what do? You go to encyclopedia, or you go to what do you call Google, or you go to library physically to refer a certain concept, right or not? Similarly, whatever you wanted, all of them are available in a package. So the relevant package name has to be imported. In the beginning of the program, you must say import java.io.hashtags. Import java.language. Import java.awt. Import java.applet, java.awt, java.io, java.language, java.utilities. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll let you know what are they. Whenever you wanted the applet packages, what is an applet package? What is a standalone? Java programs are two types. One is called as a standalone application, other one is called as an applet, internet applet. Right? Now, any applet you wanted to do it. Standalone is, what do you mean by standalone? You write a program which gives the answer in your computer, it doesn't even go to the computer which is connected on the network. Right? I write a program here, right, whose result will go to some other computer system which is connected through network. Okay? I'm sure most of you must have visited the various websites. Have you? Yes. What do? You have come across plenty of ad across that, right? Plenty of advertisement do come, right? What do they do it? The company, they write a small program in the server. Whoever visits that website, that ad comes there. So that's an applet. I write a program in my computer, which I am using the server, and you are the end user. You are one of the person who connected to this network. So whenever you visit a website, ssk.org, you come across an ad, right? Because the company whose ad is displayed in your website, they pay to me. I am the admin, right? So I receive the money from the company, right? So what happens, I write a program. Whoever visits that website, that ad will be visible for a specific period of time. Specific period of time. Right? This is called as applet. Let me tell you what it is. Import java.net means whatever you have, the networking packages, we use this package. For networking packages, we use this java.net. The next one is called as java.utilities. Whatever the utility packages are available. As I told you, java.math.sqrt, math.logarithm, math.sine, cosine, tangent, exp like this. Right? Yeah. Utility package. This is for net package, this is for the utility package, this is for the Internet applets. This is for the input output streams. This is for the language, and this is for the abstract window to AWT, abstract window toolkit. So there are 6 predefined packages are there. It's already written and kept by the Sun Microsystems who owns this. So we the users, whatever the classes we want, just refer the name. It will come from the the package, Java package, right? So these are all the packages. I repeat again the definition of a package is: a package is a group of related classes are called as package. Number 1. Number 2 is what? These are all called as built-in. Some of them they say built-in, some they say ready-made packages. Whatever the classes you wanted, you can always make use of them. This import statement should be right on top of your program, so that it can fetch related classes from the 6 different packages. I repeat again, these all the 6 packages are there. Java.NET means network packages. This is utilities packages. This is applet packages. This is input output stream packages. This is language package, and this is called as what? Abstract window toolkit. AWT we call it. Abstract window toolkit. So these are all the things. With this we shall wind up the class. We shall see you in the next class. I repeat again, as I told you a few minutes ago, copy down the previous program, practice it. Take care, boys and girls. Stay safe and stay blessed.